I must say I fully support the decision of PKK, which followed the advice of Öcalan, their imprisoned leader, and decided to dissolve itself, to cease to exist. They went to the very edge of proving by acts their commitment to peace. It is absolutely crucial that all around the world, but especially in Europe, people hear about this, participate in the debate, because Kurds are, for me, as far as I know, I have many contacts there, the most enlightened, even feminist part of the Middle East society. I think that they are the symptomal point, in the sense that if you analyze their situation, their particular situation, you can see in a condensed forum what is wrong with the entire Middle East situation. I find the decision of PKK to dissolve itself an extremely courageous act, an act which leaves no excuse to the other side to go on with the confrontation. The Kurds went to the end. They did it.